y'all, so it's Tuesday and your girl just turned 23 weeks. I will be 24 weeks next week. So yes, I'm about to hit my 6-month mark. I'm gonna put you guys right here because hold on, what the fuck? I'm trying to set you guys down so I can talk to y'all as I get ready, but this shit is like has a whole mind of its own, so bear with me. This footage is gonna be a hot ass shaky mess real quick, but yeah, I'm gonna start off the vlog with y'all just seeing me getting ready. Y'all just seeing me getting ready for work. I'm about to take them to school, and then I'm gonna head and get something to eat, and I'm gonna go to Starbucks because I should have a lot of time until it's time for me to start work. I have a good 2.5 hours, so I'm gonna take them to school. And call it a day. I want y'all to see that I can still fit my jeans. I'm so shocked. I can fit my jeans. I have on these Fashion Nova black. They honestly are like high waist jeans. Surprisingly, as soon as I put my shoes on, I'm gonna show y'all. I should have a couple of seconds before the car gets here, and yeah. So y'all about to see really a day in my life. But I'm really late today. I will say this. Like normally I would be leaving this late with them for school, but last night was just so annoying. I feel like everybody wanted to annoy me last night, so I didn't really get to rest like how I would like to rest because everybody wanted to fuck with me. So I did wake up at 6:30 instead of 5 o'clock, which I planned on waking up. So yeah, it took me a little bit longer to get ready, but this is my makeup. It's very natural, very neutral. This is my hair, just like a ninja bun, little baby hairs. The back is out. Hoop earrings. I got my work shirt on. I'm gonna cover it because I want y'all to see. But yes, and I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. All right, so y'all see my work shirt. I don't even know why I'm covering it, but fuck it. Y'all see my work shirt. Y'all see my belly. Y'all cannot even see my belly. Like my belly is a little bit non-existent today, but he up in there looking stuffed. And then these is just the jeans. Like I said, I still have on jeans. This shit is crazy that I could still fit jeans, but yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna just check back in because we about to literally head out the door, and then when I get my food and stuff, I'm gonna check back in with you guys. All right, so breakfast is out the way, and we're about to go get, Starbucks is out the way, and I took the kids to school, so we're about to go get some breakfast and eat. For anybody who cares, I get a grande iced chai latte with 2 pumps of vanilla and pumpkin cream foam, and I guess they put pumpkin spice topping. So super good. All right, y'all, so I look crazy. Today's Saturday. I have a lot of things to do, and I have a lot planned today, so I'm gonna just take you guys along with what I have planned. I look wicked, I know, don't mind that. So right now I'm currently making some breakfast. So I'm making some coffee, and I'm about to eat some waffles for breakfast. Also, I put acrylics on my nails. I don't know how I felt about it. Honestly, I didn't go to my normal girl. Like, this is cute, but I feel like my girl would have really freaked this. So when I go back again, I'm gonna go to my girl and just have her like freak it. I feel like he just made certain parts a little bit too thick, but for the time being, this is cute. This is nice. It will just do what it needs to do. So yeah, so I'm making breakfast. Also too, I'm sorry to go back on my nails, this rant. He kind of got like acrylic underneath. I don't like that. Like he was kind of rushing, but whatever. So I'm about to do that. I'm going to load these dishes in the dishwasher, and then I need to wash my hair. So I'll probably show y'all like how my breakfast look. I'm going to show y'all the hair products, of course, I'm going to use in my hair, and we're just going to go through the day. I'm going to take y'all on the whole day with me. So let's go. Okay, and this is just what I'm having for breakfast. Don't mind my plate. I guess it got like that from being in a dishwasher, but this is just some Eggo waffle, blueberry waffles with some whipped cream on top. I love to eat this. It's really good. So yeah, I'm about to eat this and then drink my coffee, and then we finna wash my hair. Can we literally address how this is the best freaking soap ever in the history of soap? Like, this shit really cleans fucking everything. Like, I love that Power Wash so much. I literally use it for everything. It's such a good soap. But yeah, clearly y'all see I'm cleaning. I shall be back because I cannot clean while I hold this camera. So yeah. Hey mama, so these are the hair products that I'm going to use in my hair. It's by a brand called Gisou in Sephora, and it's honey infused products. So this is the shampoo, this is the conditioner, and then this is the hair mask. I'm going to wash my hair probably about 2 times with this. I'm going to leave this conditioner in my hair for about 10 minutes, and then I have something to do, so I'm going to put the mask in my head while I go run this quick little errand, and then that's about it, and we're about to get the day started. Well, not the day started. We're about to get my hair started. All right, mamas. So I finally checked back in. I know I was gonna like show y'all the whole process, but I did show y'all some of the products I used to get my hair to look like this. And then I just used like this this carrot sauce type of oil that I put in my hair. The flat iron I use is a Baby Bliss Pro titanium flat iron, and yeah, I just get it nice and smooth. I slick down my edges with a little edge control, put a little curl back flat iron bump motion just so it gives the hair a lot of body. And this is literally it for my hair. I'm getting so thirsty. Fuck. So yeah, I just been doing a whole lot today, to be honest. I'm already tired and I'm still doing laundry. I'm gonna show you guys the combo that I use to wash my clothes because it smells really good, and I'm using some new products, so I'm gonna definitely show y'all that when I go back downstairs. Y'all see what combo I have. But I want to show y'all just some baby stuff that just came today that I ordered on Amazon, because I told y'all I was gonna definitely keep showing y'all everything. And guys, I'm 23 weeks. I'm 23 weeks in a couple of days. Next week I'll be 24 weeks. It'll be 6 months. So crazy, it's going by so fast. But yes, so I'm gonna show y'all the bottles. So first is the bottles. I did go with the nano, or the nano baby, because nutrients is better. These are the breast milk bottles, and fast cooling to fridge temperature, reduces bacterial growth, fast warming at safe temperatures. And there's a 5-ounce bottle, and this is for 0 months and older, so basically newborn and older. If you guys don't know, I do plan on breastfeeding him, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm trying to figure out if I can open it, because it looks like it comes with this, like a stopper in the inside, but I can't even open the fucking bottles. I think it's a piece. Okay, so you pull a piece at the bottom. Boom. You, I guess, push it back like this. I don't know. Yes, you do. You push it back. Boom. I want to say this piece is to like stop it. 1 bottles with nipple only. Never use travel and storage cap while warming. Or maybe this is a storage. Oh, this is a storage cap. Ha ha ha. This is a storage cap. Cute. So it looks like this. This is a storage cap that it comes with. And then this is the bottle part. So, hold on, I got like my messages. That's my cousin. And this is like the bottle and the cap. So it's super cute. And it's teal. It comes with a pack of 3. So that's cute. Hold on 1 second. Let me check my messages real quick. Okay, I'm back. So yes, that was the bottles. Then I ordered these. These are just baby washcloths. I believe it's white. So they're washcloths. It looks like this. It's a pack of, oh excuse me, it's a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get like 6 washcloths. I didn't want to buy a bunch of these because this is like stuff that people get you off of your baby registry. So I didn't want to OZ and get a whole lot. I also got him a cute warm blanket because y'all know he's coming in the winter, so he needed a blanket. So I got him a cute blanket. We got that. What else did I get my little man? And then I got him a towel, so when I bathe him and stuff, he has a towel. It has like it has an elephant on it. So cute. So cute with the elephant. And then I got him this thing. So it's basically like you put the baby inside of it and it keeps the baby warm. So I thought it was cute. I just wish it would like get a little bit tighter, more like a swaddle, but I'll probably just put him in this like when he goes to sleep at night, just to keep him extra warm and stuff. So I did get this, and it's like dark navy color. And once again, I did purchase all of these items off of Amazon. I don't know if you guys heard me or not, but I got everything from Amazon. And then I got him, what is these? I think these are swaddles. Oh no, these are bibs. These are bibs. He got these bibs. So these are really cute just for now, like as he's a newborn, to put it around your baby and stuff like that. And you could adjust the clamp because he's gonna be small. So I did get him some of these bibs. They're like bandana style. And then once he starts eating and stuff, he probably won't use this because it has like this on the back of it. So I probably won't give these to him once he starts eating. But it did come with a lot. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It came with 8. So pretty good still. I'm gonna link all of those products in the description box if anyone's interested. I'll definitely have everything linked that I purchased on Amazon in the description box. And yeah, that's about it for the baby items that I purchased. So I'm gonna just show you the rest of what I'm doing today. But right now I'm honestly getting tired. I'm pretty tired. And what I think I'm about to eat some cereal. In a lot, but I have a taste. I have the urge to eat some cereal. So I'm probably about to eat some cereal because I'm starting to get hungry. And yeah, then I'm gonna show y'all the detergent that I use. I'm gonna fold some more clothes, put these clothes up, look at some stuff on the computer, and I'm gonna check back in with you guys later on. Don't wanna wait on the thing that I wanna get next.